Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.85. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -9.33%. This equates to an average loss of -3.11% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases may occur within this trend. The 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 21.6% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -32.39% and -1.15%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of 116.95%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 115.77% to 265.72% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $25.57 and $43.34. Our latest daily update for SoFi features the headline, "Evaluation of SoFi stock downgraded after the last trading session." The SoFi stock price declined by 2.87% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, dropping from $12.20 to $11.85. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.75%, with a daily low at $11.69 and a daily high of $12.25. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, amounting to a decline of 1.99%. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 8 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $600,098,000. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price sits 35.67%, or $6.57, below the 52-week high, and 58.07%, or $16.41, beneath the all-time high recorded on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price reached $28.26. Recent developments concerning SoFi Technologies may have significant implications for the stock's price in both the short and long term. On the 28th of March, SoFi stock faced a notable depreciation, dropping by over 6%, reflecting broader market anxieties tied to economic conditions and competitive pressures from Robinhood markets. Despite this short-term downturn, analysts suggest that this dip could present a buying opportunity for investors, especially considering SoFi's impressive performance in 2024 and the first quarter of 2025, during which it saw substantial gains. Additionally, SoFi has solidified its visibility through a multi-year partnership as the presenting sponsor of the Country Music Association's CMA Fest. This initiative not only enhances brand recognition, but also positions SoFi strategically within a growing demographic attracted to country music, which could contribute to long-term customer acquisition and revenue growth. Moreover, despite market turbulence caused by tariff concerns, SoFi's fundamentals remain strong, supported by a robust acquisition of members and offerings that appeal to its target audience. As market corrections unfold, buyers may increasingly view SoFi as undervalued, potentially driving interest and investment. Therefore, while short-term volatility remains a concern, SoFi's strategic initiatives and solid growth prospects could favor a rebound in stock value over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank gave SOFI a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform grade along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's near-term development. The SoFi stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal has emerged due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $12.84 and $13.58. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 13.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi has established support from accumulated volume at $11.39. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction may occur when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 555 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 4.75%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of this stock has been 4.64%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $13.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $11.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is a sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 11,181 shares of common stock. On the same day, Rochelle Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 68,625 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen conducted an insider sale of 71,353 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Simcox Stephen also conducted an insider purchase of 71,353 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen conducted an insider sale of 24,420 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 51.865. In total, insiders purchased 10,529,415 shares and sold 34,895,385 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI is showing several negative indicators and is currently in a broad downward trend. We anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect SOFI to open higher by approximately $0.0783 and begin trading at $11.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.